Hi everyone. I just wanted to give a very brief tutorial on how to access Big Blue Button. So as you open up your course shell and you look at the left-hand bar, hopefully you'll see this on the menu bar, Conferences. Go ahead and click on Conferences. And then what you'll see is that two sessions are open right now. The main class session and the alternate video conference session for those who can't make it on Friday. You can think of these conference sessions as perpetually open rooms. In other words, until I end or lock the door, these rooms are going to be open and you can join anytime. So let's join one of the sessions. So if you click on the button Join, you'll be asked to make sure that your Adobe Flash player is enabled, so allow. And then the first thing it wants to do is try to make sure that your microphone or audio system is connected. So as it's loading, you're going to go into the session, and then please click on microphone because I would like to be able to hear or have people ask questions. So if you do listening only, you're going to have to exit out and come back in again. So click on the microphone and then allow for it. And then it is. So if you hear yourself as you speak, press yes. And then after you press yes, then you're in. So you know you're in because your name's here. And then what you want to do then is by the telephone button, there's a share your webcam. Press share your webcam, click allow, and then allow again. A lot of allows. And then this is a preview, and I see my not so handsome face, but oh well. When you get old, you give up. And then here I am. And so I'm here actually in the conference room waiting for you to join me. What happens is as people join, this window to the left will be filled up with everyone's face. And then what I'm going to ask people to do though is, unless you're talking, because with 12 or 14 people, it's going to be a cacophony of noise. So please press your mute button. If you press your mute button, that means it'll allow whoever's speaking to not have any interference. And then if you want to speak or ask a question, press the smiley face and it says raise your hand. And you click that, then I know that you want to speak. And then I would ask you to turn off your mute button, and then you can speak and you can say something. On screen is also probably whatever PowerPoint or presentation that I would like to show, and I do have a couple things I want to show. And then down here you can change your layout. So the video cam is what you want. It'll shrink the PowerPoint presentation, whatever it might be. You still have the chat function, and then you're only seeing my face, but if there are 14 people, then you see 14 people's faces, but in a larger window. But I'm going to go back to the default. And then here is, if for whatever reasons, if your audio is not working, then you can say, Max, I can hear you, but I can't get my mic to work. And then you can also send a text message. So when you're done, there's a button right here that says log out. Press log out. Now, you won't have the option to end the meeting. It'll just ask you if you log out or not, but I'm going to not end the meeting. I'm going to say yes. Hopefully you like Big Blue Button, and that's the end of the tutorial.